What's up, everyone? 3D Print 747 here, back again with another video. So I got a email that Makerworld has come out with this relief sculpture maker, and I went and tried a picture, and it ended up looking pretty horrible. My son, younger son, definitely does not look like Yoda in real life. Um, so what I'm going to do is do another picture, show you what I'm proposing to relief sculpture maker, and see how it looks. So what we're going to look at here is this. So these are three pups, Obi, Annie, and Finn. And yes, my kids named them after Star Wars characters. And yes, I know that Annie or Anakin is a boy, but for some reason they named Annie and she's a girl. Either way, it's all good. So let's go here and we will select the picture. And let's see what it looks like. I guess it's using AI from what I saw. Um, let's see if this looks anything like the pups. So what will happen is we'll continue and then it'll ask you if you want to remove the background or keep the background. Here's what it does when you remove the background. It just removed that. In the other picture, it removed everything except for the three people, which worked much better. We're going to keep the background. Doesn't matter, it's solid. Well, let's remove it. Make it a little less confusing for the generator. You can choose whether it's a rectangle or round. We're going to choose the rectangle. And you can choose between general, portrait, anime, or logo. I kept it general on the last one, so let's keep it that and see what happens. And it'll take me and put me in a queue if there are people ahead of me. Right here, you see that 0 users are ahead. So it's going to take 32 seconds. So let's go ahead and fast forward and see what it looks like in a few seconds. All right, here we go. Doesn't look horrible. Finn looks kind of okay. I don't know. What do you guys think? You can retry and it redoes it. Annie does not look like just that face, and even Obi's face just doesn't look, I don't know. I'm going to continue and see what it looks like, and I'll probably print it and go from there. Here's what it looks like compared. So let's get this and shrink it down a little bit. And I guess this shadow is what's causing the issue with the generator. So if you do something like this, you want to make sure that there are no shadows on the face or whatever you're modeling, because it definitely makes it look kind of wonky. You can definitely see on the left sides of the faces, even Annie's right there, that the AI probably tried to figure out what the heck was in that shadow and didn't do a horrible job, but I don't know. It she's got like a, I guess the color of her face made the jowl look like it's puffy. But let's go ahead and continue and see how things look. All right, so it takes us to this screen where you can choose the thickness, the depth variation. So it starts at 5. Let's see what happens if we up it to, I don't know, 15, just to be dramatic. Okay, yeah, let's back down to maybe, let's see, 2.9 and see how it affects it. That looks much better. I'm probably gonna, let's see what 2.1 looks. I'm gonna, let's keep it here. So I'm gonna keep it here. Um, no frame, like with frame. Oh, so it makes a frame. Oh, that's pretty cool. So we'll do a frame. Accessories, what? No hook or hook. Yeah, that's cool too. So yeah, I'll choose a hook. I don't know what these are, so we'll just take the defaults and we'll export it, and we will be back once this is printed. Stick around. All right, so I downloaded the 3MF and brought it into Bamboo Studio, and here's what we're looking at. And there's the holder, I guess, that I selected in the Relief Maker. I guess called Relief Maker, I don't know. But anyway, so here's what we're looking at. I'm just taking the defaults from the 3MF. It should know what to do. Let's slice it and see how long it's going to take to print. I'm going to print it on my P1S in white. It's choosing to use supports. That's fine. And it's going to be a 2-hour print, which that's not too bad. I'm going to go with red. Should I go with red or should I go with white? Red will pronounce the colors better, but white would probably look nicer on a shelf. Let's go with white. And select a P1P. Is incompatible with the chosen printer. What? Oh, the 3MF thinks that I have a A1 Mini. Now let's try this again. Well, let's see. Did it? Oh, yeah. The only change was the outer brim that I did. So let's slice this again and see what happens. And we're good. Hour and 47 minutes. And let's send this. And we will be back. All right, everyone. So here's how we ended up. Now we'll get this out on the desk and show you a little closer. All right, so here's the print. I think it turned out pretty cool. I'll put a picture of this and the original print side by side at the end of this video, and we'll compare them. But I'm pretty happy with this. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. It looks cool. You can definitely tell what it is, and I like the raised letters. The fin, kind of the F and the I blended together. That might be the case in the original picture. We'll have to see. But overall, I'm pretty happy with this result. Should be a flat back. And you can choose to have a picture on the back as well. And you can also choose to have it round. Again, we chose to have this frame around it, which is pretty cool. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I will post a picture right now of what this looks like compared to the picture.